Hi, welcome to another video. So Gemini CLI got a massive 2.0 update. Honestly, I think it's destroying Claude. I know there are a lot of people who use Claude code and it's powerful and all that, but Gemini CLI is one of the most powerful competitors in the scene. Google made this completely open source. It integrates directly with the VS Code through their new Code Assist agent mode. And they just added the GitHub integration that turns it into your AI coding teammate. And yes, it's actually beating Claude code on some of the actual coding tasks. Let me give you a context. If you are new to Gemini CLI is a Google's open source AI agent that runs in your terminal. Think of it like Claude code or open code, but with some serious advantages. It's Apache 2.0 licensed and now has deep VS Code integration. Gemini CLI 2.0 update brings agent mode to VS Code, GitHub Actions support, and something they call memory discovery that lets it understand your entire code base without you having to explain anything. The biggest updates are: number one, VS Code agent mode. This means full agentic coding directly in your VS Code. Number two, GitHub Actions integration. This means automated PR reviews and issue handling. Number three, memory discovery. This means it automatically finds and uses the gemini.md file for context. Number four, MCP server support. Now, Gemini CLI can connect to databases, Slack, GitHub, and more. 5. Multi-file editing. This means Gemini CLI can now work across your entire code base. Number 6. The 255,000 token context. This means it handles massive code bases. Now, let me show you why this is better than Claude code. First, we have to install and update to the latest new version. If you've been using Gemini CLI for some time, it means you have to update it. So you'll have to come here on their GitHub repo and copy this command here and paste it in your terminal like that. Then press enter to run it. As you can see here, it's done installing. All we have to do now is just run Gemini. And boom, as you can see here, it opens just like this. And type // you can see all different features that are now added here. We have the about, the auth. Let's just start from the bottom. We have the terminal setup, configure your terminal key, the setup GitHub. You can set up your GitHub actions. You can toggle the VM mode off and on. Themes. They've added so many different themes that you can choose from here. List of variable tools. This one is not new. The stats, the quit option, privacy, memory, MCP. This is, you can list, configure the MCP servers and the tools, or authenticate with all auth. You have the init, which analyzes the project and creates a tailored gemini.ai file. IDE integration. This one is powerful because it automatically connects to your VS Code. One of these supported IDEs: David, Replit, VS Code, Kesa, Claude Shell, etc. I'm in VS Code right now, so I'll just run this command here to see what that means. As you can see here, it runs in your terminal just like that. And here we have the bag. We have the compress, which compresses your context by replacing it with the summary. You can copy the previous generated code so you can paste it somewhere else. Toggles Corgi mode. You have docs. You can open Gemini CLI documentation in the browser. You have directory, manage workspace directories, editor. You can add extensions now to your CLI. I've been using it with the Gemini Flash free tier and it works amazingly well. You can customize everything. You can customize prompts for specific tasks, automated workflows, shell scripts integration, custom tool extensions. You can create a .gemini/prompts folder and add custom prompts for repeated tasks. The fact that it's open source means that you can inspect the code, modify it, and know exactly what it's doing. No black box stuff. If you're paying for Claude code, try Gemini CLI with free models first. You might not need to pay at all. So download it, set it up with VS Code, and let me know how it compares to what you are using. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.